This technical update shows you how to configure the OS 2200 exec using Apex. From the Apex home screen, select OS 2200 exec configuration. You'll see that the configuration parameters are organized into a number of categories, and within each category you'll see that the parameters have the dynamic name in the left-hand column, followed by columns headed memory and mass storage. If the memory column is grayed out, then that means that you're not allowed to change this dynamically. If it's not grayed out, then you can change it dynamically. Changes in the memory column are immediately effective as soon as you save the value. In the mass storage column, you can specify the value that the parameter is to have after the next reboot. If you change it only in the memory column and not in the mass storage column, then the parameter will be changed until the next reboot. Clicking on the question mark at the end of the line for any exec configuration parameter brings up a tab in your browser with the Apex help for that configuration parameter, such as the overhead account number help that you see here. Any user can read the exec configuration values, the same as they would be able to if they were using the comas configure command or the config $processor within a demand session. In this case, the user is on a security level 1 or 2 system and does not have sufficient privilege to be able to change the exec configuration parameters. To change the exec configuration values on a security level 1 and higher system, the user must have the ssconfig manager privilege. If we were on a fundamental security system, only the security officer would have that privilege. In summary, Apex provides an alternative to using the config $processor or comas configure from a demand session. If you change a value in the memory column, the change takes effect immediately upon save. Then when the OS 2200 system reboots, the parameter will revert back to the value shown under the mass storage heading. If you change the value in the mass storage column, then it takes effect the next time the 2200 system is rebooted. Note that some parameters do require a reboot to change them. Any user can read the exec config values, but to write them, you have to be the security officer on a fundamental security system or have the ssconfig manager privilege on a security level 1 or higher system. Thank you.